भिडियोटी ओडिया रे देखिया पई डिस्क्रिप्शन रे थिबा लिंक को क्लिक करंतु।
Hi friends, greetings of the day. Namaste. This is Jayashree. Welcome back to my channel Cook Smile Share. Today I'll be sharing a very special and delicious recipe on fish. A very unique dish that is fish posto, or we can say fish curry with poppy seeds. We will cook the fish in the regular way after frying, and also I will show how to cook fish curry with 1 tablespoon of oil only in 15 minutes. So let's get started.
To prepare the poppy seeds fish curry or fish posto, I have taken 8 pieces of rohu fish, 6 tablespoon of poppy seeds or posto, 2 to 3 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of cumin powder, 5 tablespoon of oil, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder, 2 bay leaves or tej patta, few coriander or dhania leaves, 2 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1/4 teaspoon of kalonji seeds or kala jeera, 1 to 2 tablespoon of turmeric or haldi powder, 2 medium tomatoes, a big onion finely chopped into small cubes. I have made the tomatoes into puree. I have made the poppy seeds into a smooth paste by adding twice the amount of water to the poppy seeds. I have taken 6 pieces of rohu fish and I'll add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder to the fish and keep it aside. We'll heat the pan, add some oil. Once the oil gets heated, I can fry the fish. We'll add all the 6 pieces of the fish to the oil. I can fry the fish for both the sides till it turns red. I'll keep the fried fish aside and prepare the gravy. I'll add 3 tablespoons of oil to the pan on medium flame. As it gets heated, I'll add half of the kalonji seeds and bay leaf. As the kalonji seeds start popping, I'll add 3/4 of the chopped onions to it. Once the onion is cooked, I'll add ginger garlic paste and cook till the raw smell goes away. Now 3/4 of the tomato puree, poppy seeds paste, 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri mirch, 1 tablespoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of turmeric and 1 tablespoon of cumin powder goes to the pan. Now cook this mixture for around 10 minutes in medium flame till the mixture loses its water and oil starts oozing out. Keep stirring to avoid the mixture sticking to the pan. I will add 2 cups of water and mix the mixture properly. Slowly my beautiful gravy will start to boil, indicating it's time for the fish. So why wait? Let's add our fried fish to the gravy and cover it with lid for another 5 minutes. We'll cook the fish for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, remove the lid and I'll add some chopped coriander leaves to the gravy. Our delicious rich poppy seeds gravy with rohu fish is ready. If you noticed, I did not add all the puree paste masala to the gravy. I'll start with the healthy and fast process of cooking this dish. To marinate, I'll add 2 pieces of rohu fish, kalonji seeds, bay leaf, ginger garlic paste, poppy seeds paste, tomato puree, salt, turmeric powder and mix everything together properly. Please refer to the description box for quantity of the ingredients. I'll mix all the ingredients well and allow it to marinate for around 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, I will put a pan on medium to low flame and add 1 tablespoon of mustard oil. As the oil gets heated, I'll add the marinated fish to the pan with chopped onions and a cup of water. Mix it well and cover it with a lid. I will allow it to cook for 10 minutes after covering it with a lid. Then, after 10 minutes, I'll turn the fish around and cook the other side for another 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I can check. Now the delicious fish curry is ready. As we can see, with 1 tablespoon of mustard oil and within 15 minutes our delicious and mouth-watering poppy seeds fish curry is ready.
Hope you like this recipe. Mustard oil gives a strong flavor to the curry. You can use any cooking oil as you like. Please try both the ways and let me know in comments which is more tasty. Please try this recipe at home. Share pictures and feedback with me. I would love to see and read them, and if you like my recipe, please like and subscribe to my channel. We'll come with more such healthy and tasty recipes.